Looking for a Halloween decor idea that will make your door the spookiest in the neighborhood? Are you tired of the same old decorations and want something unique, creepy, and creative? In this video, I'll show you how to create a stunning and spooky Halloween wreath that will make your house the most talked about on the block. Let's dive into the best tips, tricks, and DIY hacks for a wreath that screams Halloween. Why is a Halloween wreath the perfect decor for your front door? A Halloween wreath is more than just a decoration. It's the first impression your guests get of your haunted house. Plus, it's a fun, creative way to show off your love for the spooky season. Welcoming yet spooky, a wreath can greet your visitors with a festive touch while still maintaining a spooky Halloween vibe. Whether it's skulls, spiders, or creepy cobwebs, it sets the tone before they even knock on the door. Customizable. Wreaths can be personalized to match any theme. From whimsical pumpkins and ghosts to a terrifying haunted house, you have full control over how scary or playful it looks. Indoor or outdoor use. It's not just for your front door. Hang your wreath indoors on walls, fireplaces, or even in windows to spread the Halloween spirit throughout your home. Enjoying these tips so far? Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow Halloween enthusiasts. What materials do you need to create a DIY Halloween wreath? To make your own spooky wreath, you'll need a few key supplies. Whether you're going for a simple or intricate design, these materials are essential to bringing your vision to life. Base wreath form. Start with a foam or wire wreath form as your base. These are easy to find and make the perfect foundation for attaching your decorations. Decorative elements. Think plastic skulls, faux spiders, miniature pumpkins, black roses, ribbons, and Halloween-themed ornaments. The more eerie, the better. Glue gun and wire. A hot glue gun will secure all your spooky elements, while floral wire helps attach heavier items like ornaments or larger decorations. Got your materials ready? Let me know in the comments how you're planning to design your Halloween wreath. How do you arrange and attach decorations for a balanced wreath? Designing a well-balanced wreath is key to making it look professional. You want it to be spooky but also visually appealing so that it draws attention without looking too cluttered. Start with larger pieces. Place larger items like skulls or pumpkins first, using them as focal points. Space them evenly around the wreath for balance. Fill in with smaller details. Once your big pieces are in place, fill in the gaps with smaller elements like spiders, bats, or ribbons. This adds texture and dimension. Layer for depth. Attach elements at different heights or angles to create depth. For example, intertwine black lace or cobwebs through the wreath, or a layered, creepy effect. Want more detailed tutorials on wreath making? Add this video to your playlist and check out the description for more DIY decor videos. What color schemes work best for a spooky Halloween wreath? Color is one of the most important aspects of your wreath. The right color scheme can elevate your Halloween decor, making it pop and look cohesive at the same time. Classic Halloween colors. Stick with traditional Halloween colors like black, orange, and purple. These instantly scream Halloween and make your wreath instantly recognizable. Gothic glam. If you want a darker, more elegant look, try combining black with deep reds, dark purples, or metallics like gold and silver. This gives your wreath a gothic, vampire-like feel. Neon and glow-in-the-dark. For a modern, fun twist, use neon greens, pinks, and oranges, or incorporate glow-in-the-dark elements to make your wreath stand out both day and night. What's your favorite Halloween color combo? Subscribe to my channel for more Halloween decor ideas you won't want to miss. How can you make your Halloween wreath stand out with unique details? If you want your Halloween wreath to really stand out, it's all about the details. Small, unexpected touches can make your wreath look one of a kind. Add movement. Incorporate hanging elements like dangling spiders, bats, or skeleton hands. This adds a fun and spooky sense of movement whenever someone opens the door. Use lights. String small LED lights through the wreath or use battery-powered candles for a glowing effect that makes your wreath look especially eerie at night. Scented accents. For an extra sensory element, add cinnamon sticks, dried oranges, or cloves. The warm, spooky scent will greet your guests before they even step inside. For even more creative ideas like this, check out the description below for similar videos and DIY tutorials. How do you arrange and attach decorations for a balanced wreath? Designing a well-balanced wreath is key to making it look professional. You want it to be spooky but also visually appealing so that it draws attention without looking too cluttered. Start with larger pieces. Place larger items like skulls or pumpkins first, using them as focal points. Space them evenly around the wreath for balance. Fill in with smaller details. Once your big pieces are in place, fill in the gaps with smaller elements like spiders, bats, or ribbons. This adds texture and dimension. Layer for depth. Attach elements at different heights or angles to create depth. For example, intertwine black lace or cobwebs through the wreath, or a layered, creepy effect. Want more detailed tutorials on wreath making? Add this video to your playlist and check out the description for more DIY decor videos. There you have it. Your spooky Halloween wreath is ready to make an unforgettable statement this Halloween season. Whether you're hanging it indoors or out, this DIY project will instantly boost your Halloween decor game and have all your neighbors talking. So grab your materials and start crafting your perfect Halloween wreath today. If you loved this Halloween wreath idea, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more creative DIY decor tips and tricks all year long.